Is your child ever a bit riled up when they are supposed to be winding down? Like at bedtime? Have you ever wondered what is the best way to calm them down, but with grace? We've got you covered. Introducing Calmy, a bedside storyteller for bright kids. With thousands of audio stories available sorted by categories and age, Calmy will boost their imagination, foster their curiosity, make them discover new cultures, all the while helping to soothe them and set the mood for a good night's sleep.
Once upon a time, in a deep green valley, there was a village.
When it's time to sleep, Calmy transforms into a nightlight with several tranquil light ambiances that you can couple with calming sounds to create the perfect relaxing conditions. The next morning, Calmy will automatically turn on with a serene alarm sound to make sure your child always wakes up on the right foot. Calmy, the bedside companion for happy kids.